Hello friends, this video on alcohol, phenols and ethers part 5 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Let's take a few more examples because this ether is something which we didn't do in the past chapter. So we have the C6H5O and we have CH26 CS3. So here we have 6 plus 1, 7 carbon on the right. Left side we have 6 carbon. So this becomes my parent carbon. Why? Because it has 7 carbons. Correct? Now if you see, if I see this is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the long chain and this is the structure of this. You can add extra hydrogen. This is the structure of this particular compound I'm talking about. You can number this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the parent one. So at 1 I have a ethane. Phenyl. At 1 I have phenyl. And this is all 7, that is hept. So it will be at 1 I have phenyl, so 1 phenoxy, 7 is hept, all single bond ane, heptane. So it is 1 phenoxy heptane. This will be the IUPAC name for this compound, 1 phenoxy heptane. Correct. Now let's see the common name. So this is hept, so it is heptyl. And the other side we have phenyl. Correct. So out of phenyl, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H comes first. So it will be heptyl phenyl ether. Heptyl phenyl ether. Correct. This was my IUPAC name. And the other was my common name. Let's talk about this. This has 1 carbon, this has 3 carbon. So this will be my parent chain. I can number from here or here. It doesn't matter. I will number from this position. Anyway, it's all symmetrical. Doesn't matter. So let's write the IUPAC name first. So at second position, I have a methoxy. So it will be 2 methoxy. And this is meth probe, 3 carbon probe, all single bond ane. This is my IUPAC name, 2 methoxypropane. Let's go for the common name. So for common name, this side I have methyl and this side I have propyl. So this is methyl and this is propyl. It's actually isopropyl, but that won't make a difference here. Right? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, M come first. So it will be methyl. This is isopropyl actually. It will be isopropyl ether. Please note, here I didn't use isopropyl here. I use only propyl because we have discussed this isopropyl or we have any other kind, right? So those things doesn't come into picture. When you talk about methyl propyl, you don't take this prefix di, tri, n propyl. All those things you don't take. You take only into consideration methyl, propyl, butyl, things like that. Correct. Let's check this compound. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon here. Right? And this has 6. This will be my primary chain. Why? Because I told, right, the one which has maximum number of carbon with primary chain. Now let's see this. If you write this compound, this will be the name of this compound. I'll just show you. I'm just trying to draw this once again. I'll sort the numbering convention 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since this is a branch one, it's good to number this guys also. It will be 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Correct. So first at 1 I have all these. So let me first name these things. Right. So this is at 3 I have methyl. So it is 3 methyl. Meth pro but, and since the whole thing is part of oxygen, so butoxy. So it will be 3-methyl-butoxy. The whole thing, if you see here, is nothing but 3-methyl-butoxy. Right? So it is 3-methyl-butoxy, and here we have benzene. So it will be 3-methyl-butoxy benzene. Pretty easy IUPAC name. Correct? See, this whole thing is 3-methyl-butoxy, 3-methyl-butoxy benzene. Correct? Now let's see the common names. So this is a phenyl here, and this is my methylprobutane isopentyl. So this is phenyl, and this is pentyl. Both start with the same name P. I can take any of these, doesn't matter. So I'll make it phenyl, and this thing is isopentyl, and this is ether. So phenyl isopentyl ether. So I have one side phenyl, and the other side I have isopentyl. This is good one actually. If you see, there are two groups attached. This is my primary chain here, 1 and 2. So at 1 and 2 I have methoxy group attached. So it will be 1,2 dimethoxy. This is methith, right? So ethane. So it is 1,2 dimethoxy ethane is the primary IUPAC name. There is no common name for this. See, common name is only for the compound which are really common. Let's see this. So this will be, we start the numbering convention from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 1 I have 2 methyls, right? And I have ethoxy here. So I have ethoxy, and then I have methyl here. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E. E comes first. So I'll write 2 ethoxy first, and then 1,1 dimethyl, and then it is cyclo. There are 6 carbon in this cyclo chain. X, all single bond, N. So it is 2 ethoxy, 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane, and fortunately there is no common name for this also. So let's try the IUPAC name for these. So out of these two, nitro and ethoxy group, ethoxy is primary, so I'll number in this fashion. So again I have ethoxy and nitro. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E comes first. So it will be 1 ethoxy, 2 nitro, cyclo, 6 carbon, hex, all single bond, N. So it will be 1 ethoxy, 2 nitro, cyclohexane. Let's take this example. Here we have 3 carbon, here I have 2 carbon. This is my primary. So I'll number in this fashion, 1, 2, 3. So here at 2 I have a ethoxy group. 2 ethoxy methylpropane. It's 2 ethoxypropane. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.